Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Cash App web receipt not showing. So if you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just actually close your Cash App and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now on this page, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. Scroll down a little bit again and click on storage, and here and it's just going to take a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And when it's done, what we're going to do after this is to just scroll down and find Cash App. And in there, you will be able to fix this problem. By the way, I had this exact issue myself, so I'm going to show you what I did to be able to fix it basically. So now we're just going to scroll down in here and then click on Cash App, as you can see. Then you're going to click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App, and here, as you can see, just going to take a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. What will happen now is that you basically will now auto update your Cash App to the latest version. So wait for it to update, then go back into your Cash App and then check if your web receipt is now showing, because sometimes auto updating your app to the newest version can fix this problem. So that is basically exactly how to fix it.